What we got here going on auction time today is a complete nut and bolt restoration, International Farmall 666. Now this is a 70 horsepower diesel, and I'll just go over a little bit of what we did to it. It's got a brand new injector pump, what we had done to it professionally. It's got a professional paint job put on it to start with. It's got a new injector pump, new injectors, new pistons, new sleeves, new clutch, new starter, new alternator, new radiator, all new gauges on it. It's got all new LED lighting that's put on it, including the front headlights, back and rear headlights, and your flashers. It's got a brand new hydraulic pump on it. It's got brand new rubber on the front tires here, and on the rear tires, we still got the original rubber on it, but the rubber is still in great shape. Still got at least 50 to 60% wear left on it. Now, the tractor, of course, has all new front end components done on it as well, and it's power steering. She's got a lot of power, and what we're going to do here is start it up. And we took it out and ran it. We plowed about 10 acres of land with it just to try it out. She runs beautiful, and we just want her to go to a good home, someone who's going to take care of it and appreciate her. She's a show quality tractor here, and like I said, complete nut and bolt restoration. Now we're going to start it up and go through the gears. It's got all new shifting linkages on it, and so everything on the front end is, or the shifting components are all tight as well. Come on around back, I'll show you all the, it's got the 3-point hydraulics, it's got 540 PTO, it's got your two hydraulic reservoirs here, and also a brand new top link. It's got a brand new LED rear light as well that goes on it. We'll start it up and go through the gears with you real quick here. And it also has a new battery. So we hit the key, push in the clutch. Wonderful. Now we hit first gear, reverse, forward, and forward, and we clutch on it. And now here's reverse. As you see, the track is clear. I just use the tip. Runs like a brand new tractor. Get out her on auction time. Sell it absolutely. We've got a beautiful tractor. Call me if you have any questions about the tractor. She's a wonderful piece of equipment here.